Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements and choosing a delivery method. If you want the authentic Pocket Edition experience on PC, pick the Bedrock version from the Microsoft Store. Otherwise, use a reliable Android emulator. Once done, install the Microsoft Store app or download and install the emulator installer. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS for emulators to run smoothly and close unnecessary apps to free memory. These first steps get you ready and avoid mid-install failures. Now you install and configure the chosen method. If using the Microsoft Store, sign into your Microsoft account and buy /install Minecraft for Windows 10/11. This gives you Bedrock, the Pocket Edition equivalent. If using an emulator, install the APK via the emulator's APK installer, sign into Google Play, and download Minecraft Pocket Edition. Once installed, tweak settings, allocate CPU cores and RAM, set resolution and controls, and map touch to keyboard or controller so the game feels natural. Finish by launching and validating the installation. Open Minecraft, let it download any updates, and sign into Xbox Live or your account to enable cloud saves and crossplay. Make sure graphics are set to a balanced profile, reduce resolution, or enable VSync if you see stuttering. If the game crashes or fails to start, update GPU drivers first, then reinstall the app or APK. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch the emulator's render engine or re-enable virtualization. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.